How to create an intense halftone effect in Photoshop, PC or Mac. The key thing to do this is to go to bitmap mode. So you need to go from RGB or CMYK to grayscale and then to bitmap mode. And then you can use the halftone effect. Open any image in Photoshop. Now you might like to go to image menu first and then adjustments and black and white. Then you can tweak it. So you might like to change the red, change the yellow, and then click OK. Once you've done that, you can go to image, mode, and if you're in RGB or CMYK, go up here to grayscale and then say discard. Then go to image menu and mode, and you can see the option bitmap is now available. So select that, set the output to 300 or 72, etc. Go for halftone screen. You've got a number of other options, but halftone screen, click OK. Then set the frequency. I would suggest a very low value, 8 or 10. Also you can set the angle. So I'm going to have going diagonally, so 45 degrees, and I'm going to go for line as my shape. You've obviously got ellipse, diamond, round, etc. as well. Once you're happy with that, click OK. And there you've got that very intense black and white image with those lines. I want to apply some motion blur to this. Unfortunately, in bitmap mode, there's very few filters. So what you need to do is again go to image menu and then grayscale via the mode and then to RGB or CMYK. Now go over to image menu and mode, and you'll notice here you've got very few modes. You just got grayscale. So select that and one and click OK. Then go to image menu and mode, and now you can see you've got lots and lots of modes, RGB. Then go to filter menu, and you can of course apply any filter now. So I'm just going to go with blur and down to motion blur. And you can see now I've got -45, that's the same as the lines before. And also distance, I'm going to go for 169. You could of course vary it, 100, 200, etc. Click OK. But also you can apply it again, apply it 3 or 4 times. So filter, motion blur. Just use this repeat feature and there's the final result. However, you can also apply other effects, adjustments to create even more interesting designs. The adjustment I'm going to be using for this, levels. So just go to adjustments and levels, and you can tweak the input levels and you can create all kinds of amazing designs just using that. Go to image menu and adjustments and levels. You can see here you've got presets, you can use those. Also you've got RGB if you're using RGB, and also you can modify these settings. This is the input level, so you can tweak that, and as you do that you'll notice the image will change. Also you can go to the output levels and you can tweak that as well and create unusual effects as well. Maybe make it slightly faded. Also, if you want, you can bring in colour as well. So just go here, instead of RGB, you can go to blue. And then you can tweak this. So as you do that, you'll notice the blue here. You can also change the output levels as well. Go to green and you can tweak that. And as you do that, all kinds of colourful designs will appear. And click OK. Also what you can do, you can go to edit and fade levels. And then you've got the option here for opacity. So you can modify that. Also blend modes, darken, multiply, darker colour, difference, and so on. Create all kinds of unusual images. Click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.